Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by verifying the PDF and the printer capability so you avoid wasted paper. Open the PDF and confirm page order, total pages, and orientation. Once done, check printer properties, automatic duplex or single-sided only. If automatic, note available duplex options. If manual, prepare blank stack and clear a feeder path. You'll also pick the correct paper tray and size now, because changing mid-job often flips order unexpectedly. Now configure the print dialog to match your PDF and binding. Choose Print on both sides for automatic duplex. If not available, select manual duplex and set page ranges. Make sure to pick Flip on long edge for portrait books or Flip on short edge for calendars. Use the preview to confirm page orientation and adjust scaling or margins so nothing is cut off. If you have odd pages first, set odd page printing, then reinsert paper for even pages. Print a short 2-page test to confirm front-to-back alignment and flip direction. This saves lots of reprints. If automatic duplex is used, monitor the first sheet to ensure it flips the right way. If manual, carefully follow the printer's instructions for reinserting pages and maintain the same face orientation. Once the full job finishes, collate and staple or bind as needed. If pages are upside down or out of order, change flip edge or reverse the input tray and repeat the test.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.